Bhotani ma-Afrika mahle, bhotani bantu bomgquba, bhotani ma-Afrika. Igama lam ndinguSilindile owakwaLufele. uMampinge umbhalo kaQoshe, umntwana ingabi noboya ifuna abantu ayifuni bantwana ifuna abadala. Namhlanje ke ndihamba noMadiba uvela bempensele. Into ezininzi ke nasenizawuziva ngayo ngoba ndiyadinga uba makakazazise kancinci akathi avele before sizawungena emxholweni sibeke isithebe sizawutya. Madiba.
Mampinga andizibamde mani ngokuzazisa. NdinguThabo ke ithole leduna lakwaMadiba eMaxesibeni. Ngunyana kaBhodloza, umzukulu kaNgubeze. Isisukulo sikaMatiti, isisukulo sikaZinja, umthembu ophuzuphuzu. Ethethe isiXhosa ngengomXhosa.
Bendisazotsho loo nto ngoba kaloku nina nibuye emampondweni.
Sibuye emampondweni, sibhace emampondweni.
Okay, khawundingcambazise kancinci.
Xa ujonga ke intaba yentsizwa, xa ndibuza ke kumkhulu ba, mkhulu, ndinengxaki ngale nto yoMadiba. Kutheni silapha kwisizwe samaXesibe? Uthi sivela ngako intaba yentsizwa. Babuya kwikhaya khulu okanye ikhaya labaThembu. Ngenxa yezinto ke ezenzekayo omkhulu babo bazibona besuka kwikhaya labaThembu babhaca indawo yonke. Ufumana uMadiba everywhere. Sikhona eBizana. Phakathi emampondweni.
Omram.
Phaka omdrampeni.
Omdrampeni.
Sibhacila singoba khona, asingomaXesibe, asingomampondo, singabaThembu. Qha ke asikafumani iplatform apho khona sikwazi ukuzicacisa nabadala kunathi bazicacisa uba kuze kanjani safika kule ndawo.
Ndiyakuva.
Madiyeke labadala.
Ndiyakuva. And ubusangcambazisa ke kuloo nto leyo. Uba mhlawumbe umuntu ngoku angeva kuthiwa Thabo, ngubani uThabo?
THABO. Sometimes maybe Thabo Mbeki.
Khange ndithi ndisipelele, but that one thing you know uba umuntu mhlawumbe angakudescribe ngayo. Makuthiwe masinako umuntu uyehlika phaa itaxi rank ufuna uThabo Umthika.
Yeah, maybe that in that direction. Those I played football with, they would know me as the guy who used to play for Aces United, a team that was formed only for amaXhosa kuphela. Qala ukuthi Eastern Cape Aces. And then later I would realize, we called it Aces. Those I went to school with, they would say it's that one guy who was very passionate about maths and science or the schooling process. Those that I grew up with, they would know me as someone who was, at any given point, I would say, we need to find a passion. We need to have something. If it says badala, they would remember us. Ngaba otata ngoba bebancinci besenza into ethile. Yabona. We once started a shop ekhoneni khona ke eBlock 1 besihlala kuyo. And I said, guys, we need to be known for something. And saqala ishop omnye bethengisa amakipkip, umna benthunga izihlangu. And
Senise high school ngelo xesha?
We're in grade 8 at that point.
Okay.
At one point, all of us started singing Ikwaito because when Zola came in, it blew us off. We all thought we can do it. We thought we can do it. We found passion because my point was, let's push for a passion. Let's be known for something. If we can put energy into it, it can sell. So some will say it's that guy who always wanted us to push for a passion. Even when I was in grade 10, there was something about standard grade year maths, higher grade year maths. But let's go for this.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go
challenge.
for this.
Challenge.
And then my maths teacher was like, no one has ever done this unless they were very good. And I said, we can. And then we started a whole thing of 10 boys that wanted to do maths in higher grade. If you go to Eva City, I'm one of very first in the West End to ever enroll. Okay, I might not be true with this, but this one I can be very true. This is not boasting, ne? Ankomi, but ngumlando. Akekho umuntu ongaxela history than the one who's been involved.
Of course.
Than the one who has looked on the left and the one who's looked on the right. backwards and forward and say, who's there?
And it's one of the reasons that we are sitting today.
yeah.
It's because of Lomlando Law.
Gubano, who's ever done that?
Yeah.
So I'm one person, the very first Eswanivin to ever enroll EVITS. Many people might have enrolled anywhere else. I'm the first. And don't get offended about that. And it's not like I'm the first. And the reason why I'm saying I'm the first, let history, when it enrolls, when historians speak, let them not distort what is there, what is being done, who has been there. So we started this whole thing as you're asking, who's this guy?
Yes.
Said we're gonna do higher grade, and my friends, they didn't know what was there. I didn't know it myself.
Okay.
I just said this thing.
And the confidence ngelo xesha ikhona,
No,
so
there's no
iyaboosta.
confidence. It's just saying out of, but I can't be.
Leap of faith. Yeah.
I'm born of someone who's very arrogant
Yeah.
and someone who wanted to stand out. Right.
that.
So when I was choosing careers, okay, I didn't choose this one. My exhibitions, they started telling us about so many things. So mna benenza imoto ngamacingo ke.
Okay.
So at one point, abantu bendikhulana bathi kuthena ungenzi olopreni ngamacingo. So I didn't know anything about aircraft. Like, huh? So I didn't have a full picture of an aircraft.
Okay.
So now was an exhibition.
And kaloku ukhumbulele xesha sasingekabi nento ze-social media ne-access to internet and all that.
Next,
Yeah.
sasimamela indaba xa
Cha,
kusebiziwa.
ngeke.
Simunye, we are
Who are
one.
one.
So all of us were one in ignorance. So went to South African Air Force.
Yes.
I saw aircraft for the first time. I was in grade 9. Instead of me going up and down, I had a question that I need to answer. Why are you not designing aircrafts? I looked at those pictures. I looked at them. I looked at the aircrafts. And I came back. I went back home. And I started doing olopreni ngamacingo. But ukuzihambe ndayifaka amaviri. And I was
Kaloku
pushing
awukwazi
it around.
uyibhabhisa.
Right. So when we're choosing, I didn't choose even my subjects.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't choose, but we'll get back to that.
Okay.
So they knew me as that guy who said in grade 9, me, I want to be an aircraft engineer. I want to be like white people. And the reason why I said I want to be like white people, I wanted to be an engineer that designs aircraft like white people. So that was the thought. When I got to WITS, few of us were doing the course, which is aeronautical engineering. So how does it define me? I've always wanted to defy the odds. I wanted a story to say it can be done. When I registered my first business, its title was It's Possible. I didn't care what it was,
Or what is
But
the
the point
possibility? Uba yintoni at that
it's
time
possible.
specific, but it's possible.
but it's possible. End of the story. That's me. I don't know who else can define me better than what I've just said.